Y'all ever, did y'all ever hear that song? I'm singing, I'm shouting, since Jesus made me whole. Some people don't understand why I feel this way. It's the bubbling, bubbling, bubbling. It's the bubbling in my soul. That was just my song. I think I was like, I don't know, maybe 7. Hi guys, what's poppin'? What's crack-a-lackin'? What's goody? I figured you guys would come spend some time with us.
There
wow.
It is.
Where?
Look right there.
Oh wow.
Tiesman.
Oh, there's people.
Wait,
Tiesman, look right there.
Are you? Wait, no, that's ours.
Look. Tamaya, you see it? Look right there.
Are you serious?
That's ours.
Oh
right
wow, they're building it.
So hold on, let the people say.
No.
Let me see. Look at there, people. We're about to go to it right now. Now, y'all remember, there was nothing there. Okay? It was flat.
Right there?
Yeah.
Yes. It was
I thought
flat.
the other one over there.
Look at there.
I thought it was that.
I don't think we're going to be able to go on it because they are working. But look at here, guys.
Grab a hard hat and a hammer. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Dang, they go fast. They go real fast. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. Let me see. Hold on. Look at that. Holy macaroni and cheese.
Holy moly. Jeez, I'm afraid.
I always say,
moly.
holy moly.
macaroni
Yeah, guys, you guys are not
and
going to be able to get out, but let me turn this back around. Because I don't want you to. You probably would have to wear a hard hat. Do y'all see that? Hey, babe. Hey, babe. You on? Say what's good to the people.
Yeah, that was good.
I don't know why he be hating. But anyway, y'all gonna come on my journey. This is so exciting. Let me turn it back around. Oh, what did I just do? Hi, guys. Oh, wait. Look at the people. Y'all go so fast. What, babe? I think this literally, guys, was one day. Okay, this is the second day. I stand corrected. Yo, in 2 days, y'all. Look at that. So, in the next couple of days, I'm going to come in. We're going to write some serious affirmations on our wood before they start building it and put some good vibrations. But look at there, you guys. That's God, boy. Mother, Father, Universe, Creator. That's them. Looking down on us. Felly, if you were here, boy. Grandma, if you were here. Ty, if you were here, boy. But anyway, guys. Huh?
It's going right on the slab.
This is so crazy.
I never seen that.
Guys, this is obtainable. It really is. You don't understand this feeling. It's crazy. Like, dude. It just make you want to dance. And this is what I want to tell you guys while I'm on, because I'm about to get off and go mess with the guys. I got a webinar coming up. I would love for you to join me. I'm going to show you what I did to get me from the low 400s to the 780s, because that's where I'm at. And the reason why I'm at the 780s is because things that we're doing. And I want to show you this too. Hold on. So when you get new accounts, your credit score drops for a little bit. But my credit scores are 8s around the board. But when you get new accounts, they drop. But you're going to learn all about this. You're going to learn all about this in the webinar. I'm going to give you my tips and tricks. And I want to see you guys there. Can't wait to see you there. I want you to feel this feeling, y'all. Whether it's getting built or not, it's yours. So anyway, let me go bother the guys. I'm going to speak to you guys soon.